What is up, you guys? It's Aureus back with another storm. I hope you guys are feeling good, staying safe, and being yourself. Guys, I would like to welcome you to my first episode of the Design With Me series. This is basically going to be a series where I will be recreating certain designs that I've made in the past. I've made a bunch of stuff, and I figured that it's a good thing to share on the various little tricks and various little things I've learned as I've done this. In each episode, I will be showing you the various steps that I took to achieve a certain design. So for today's video, we will be doing a Father's Day card. So for those of you guys who follow me on Twitter, I made a Father's Day e-card. I made two. One was personal, the other one was the one I posted on Twitter. Now that that's settled, sit back, relax, grab a drink, grab a snack, let's get started. Okay guys, so we're gonna get started by opening Adobe Illustrator. We will be doing something like this, however, we're starting again. So we're gonna start with a new project, and we're gonna do it as 1080 by 1080, and we're gonna make sure it's RGB color. So we're gonna create that, and then so I'm gonna start off by putting this choosing the rectangle tool and putting this white box over here. So we're gonna start off by making the banner, which is basically another rectangle. I also like separating my stuff from the background and the foreground, so I'm gonna create another rectangle over here, and we're gonna make this rectangle. I'm gonna make this rectangle blue for now. I'm gonna pick this, and then we're gonna go to Effect, Start and Transform. Yeah. So you're going to take the tweak tool, and then we're just going to make this flag-like situation. And obsolete is an option. And just to create that tool effect, bend it down a bit more. And yeah, now you have this going on. And now you're gonna put. Okay, I want to change the background color. The white is a bit too bright for me, so I'm gonna put this gray so I can see a lot more. And then now I'm gonna put this Father's Day. Should I? No, not yet. Okay, just so you know, this is how I work. I kind of like fumble around a lot. It is a normal thing with me, so bear with me, please. So we're gonna first start by taking my pen tool, and I think that's the end of that, and yeah. We're going to bring this up a bit. That, and then let me bring this down a bit so I can get like a flat situation going on here. Then I check my work. Yes, yeah, I think that should do. Then I get my pen tool, and then I bring that closer. Yes! We got it! Okay, almost. Just gotta bring this down in. Yeah, we sorted it out, guys. We won. Okay, so now we have gotten the basic gist. Now it's just time to clean this side. So there we go, guys. We have made that, and I think that should suffice for the banner. So our banner is gonna be white, so I'm gonna make that white. And then I'm gonna make this gray. Oh, oops. My bad. Reverse that. And then I'm gonna make this gray. Yeah, like that. And then I'm gonna make this gray as well, but a lighter gray than what I chose before. Now that we're doing this, we're gonna have to change the background color again. I'd advise you choose a very neutral color, that way that you can have more control. So we're going to create circles. Basically, now we're trying to create the shadows on the banner itself. So let's get started on that. So we're gonna create like a triangle over here first. So we remove the stroke, don't forget to do that, and make this gray. Then we send this back by 1. Now we bring it forward. Oh, it's purple. Oops. Oh yeah, I moved the stroke gray. Remove the stroke. And then put the, and then we send this backward. And then we reduce the opacity. Oh no, clicked the wrong thing. And there you go. Your shape. So now I'm going to make this fit in, just like the way we've kind of made everything. I'm gonna make it fit in here. So and you move everything so you don't lose your hard work. It's a nice thing to know. I know, I like knowing that. So we're gonna make this gray, like the darkest gray we can, and then we're gonna again reduce its opacity like that much, and then now we're going to play around with its corners a bit so it can be like that. The last time I did this, I just did everything on top of each other, so this is proving to be a challenge, but I am here for it. So let me try it this way. Put that there, move this aside, move this aside, and I say oh, gotta click everything. And I say make mask clipping. Finally! There we go. Then we move this back here. And then we move this back. There we go. That is the flag. So we're going to export this separately. It doesn't, but I prefer exporting this way. So I'm gonna call this flag, and we're gonna export this as a high type optimize, and then I'm gonna say okay. So that's how it's gonna. So now I'm gonna create another project and it's gonna be the same settings and everything, and it's gonna be blank like this. So this is a lot trickier, and we're gonna spend a lot more time here compared to the flag. So we're gonna start off with a triangle. 90 degrees now. And that should do it. So have this. And then we're going to put another triangle. There we go. So now that we've done that, we have a foundation of what we're supposed to make. So now we're gonna make more triangles. This is gonna be really painful. You guys are gonna hate me for this actually. So it's very time consuming, but okay, I wouldn't say it's the only method that works. I would just say that it's a method I know, and if you guys find faster methods, do let me know. Now, you can make another one, but there's an easy way. We can just copy, paste it, and then you just bring it to this point, and then you hit transform and you say reflect. Say preview, and then you say okay, and then you got your other side. Just like now that we've done that, we're going to go to the back, right? I'm gonna click this triangle and I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna move this. Oops, 1 second. I'm gonna double click this and I'm gonna move this like in line with this and move it so it can be inside instead of outside. So it's at the back of everything that we've already created. It doesn't have to be in line exact. It is the back of everything, so it's okay if it's a little wonky. Okay, now we're going to take these, the back, and we're going to say transform. We're going to say reflect. We're going to say horizontally. Then we're going to click OK. Now we're going to move this to be in line with this. Then we're going to double click this and we're going to move it closer to the edge. And we're going to double click this again and we're going to move it to the edge. So now that we have this, we're going to go to our top layer and we're going to mimic some triangles like this. Like that. And we have got one side of the color, so like we've done before, copy, V, transform, reflect vertically. Say okay. Then you move it to the other side. Should have uniform colors now. Just like that. Alright, the next step would be our tie. So now this tie is up to you. However, you can leave your collar open. The tie is completely up to you. So for the tie, we're going to mimic this. Then we're going to send this backward. And then I'm going to send it backward again. And boom, you have your base of your tie. Make it easier, I'm going to do a rectangle. I'm just going to draw it straight. Just like that. And then here, we're going to click this. We're going to arrange. We're going to send it to the back so it's behind everybody. So we're going to bring this anchor. We're going to make it look a little skinnier. So we're going to come here. We're going to bring this anchor in. So we can get rid of this. We can delete that. And then we can move this triangle higher. like that, and then make it bigger as well. And then we get rid of this other 2 triangles that were our guide sheets. Then you group these together so when you move them, they move together.
What's up, you guys? It's me, Kenneth.
And then we can ungroup them now.
I know some of you guys are wondering how you could download those
And then
non-copyrighted aesthetic music that I've shown you a while ago. So
move everybody's head a bit in.
I know this
And that is a basic
but honestly,
suit. So we're going to add our side pocket here.
Non-copyrighted music for free. So yeah. Also, this video is kinda highly requested by some of you guys.
And bring this to the front. And boom, you've made that. Don't forget to group them, guys. Especially these 2. It's one of the things that you forget to group. It is very easy to forget to group this, guys. So yeah, so be very careful. It's very easy to forget to group these guys in particular, so group them so you don't forget. So now we are done with our basic shapes. So now we're gonna make it look more clean, and we're gonna color it in.
Subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.
And yeah,
for our latest video updates. Follow me on my social media accounts at It's Kenneth, also on TikTok at Kenneth Laritas. Again, thank you for watching. Stay motivated.
And now that I've done all the colors, I'm going to make it a bit more spiffy, and then we are going to get to the final product. And there, my friends, is our Father's Day suit. Red and looking clean. So just like we did for the flag, we are going to export this as a PNG, and we're going to call it Our last step is to create another new project. The same. That is all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, subscribe for a shout out. Comment down below for engagement. Don't forget to like this and hit the notification button so you don't miss next week's video. So guys, see you guys in the next one. Bye.